also another Airbnb experience. I'm going to go to a cooking class. It's going to be a class where we walk around, we go to the market, which I believe I already went to, and we'll also be going to like cooking a little bit and then making cocktails. I don't drink, but I'm still gonna participate. I'm excited. I want to cook. I want to learn. I hope that it's a lot of fun. I'm gonna be bringing my tripod with me. So as a solo traveler, I cannot advocate enough for taking excursions on your trips. It's a great way to meet people from all over the globe. I met so many incredible people on this tour. This was another Airbnb experience, as I said before, and the cost is not bad at all, especially for all that was included. We met up at Central Market, which is one of the markets that I went to in the walking tour earlier that morning. That was a separate vlog. If you haven't checked that one out, I'll link it down below. But it was really nice to have a second chance at coming to the market. This was a farm to table cooking class, so we picked up some of the items that we'll be cooking in our class here at the market. We also tried a few vegetables and fruits as well.
Haven't seen any turtle egg in your life? This is the time, okay, your time. These are turtle eggs. If you touch them, they are not hard like chicken eggs. They are actually, the shell is soft, okay? It looks more like a flat ping pong ball. But these are unfair, okay? Because in Costa Rica, we preserve turtles, and the foundation that protects turtles are the only ones allowed to.
So after we got everything that we needed for our cooking class, we headed over to the location for our cooking class. This is a cocktail and cooking class. We did have 2 hosts, which were amazing. Okay, downstairs right here, this is where we'll be dining in and eating our final course. Upstairs was this location right here, and this lovely host right here. She was just really sweet, very patient with all of us. She was showing us how we were going to make our empanadas, which is what we started off with as well. So we each had a station right here, which is really close, which is so nice because it forces you again to talk to people. So she did a demonstration and she showed us how to make our empanadas. We're going to start off by like flattening them and then add some, I think it's refried beans into them, and then half of the other class was making cocktails. Here's what my empanada started to look like. So they have this wooden board and you just put like a roll of this dough in there, press it down. There's a metal one right next to there as well. You have some wax paper to separate it. And she was so kind. She was very patient, showed all of us like how to make ours taste good, but also they deep fry it after you put the beans in there, and then you open it up after it has been fried and you add your ingredients to it. So I've never made empanadas before. This is my first time. A lot of fun. This was also my first cooking experience. So she was so nice that she recorded me trying to make my empanada, honey. But I'll let you hear some of the dialogue and some of the banter between me and some of the other people who were traveling. So here we go.
Now with the plastic, fold it over and pinch the edges, like a half move, one side to the other side. Exactly.
We're making a mess.
And all time we use the plastic, so you just,
This looks good. I feel like
try to don't close to border with the beans, because if not, it's gonna be hard to close it up. So try to put it right on the center. Let it like that now, because if you move, it's gonna make a mess on the dough. So I would recommend you let it like that.
Okay.
And put some cheese if you want.
You've never eaten one. You've never made one. Never. And you're like, oh, this is great.
Wonderful. First empanada for my friend. I like that. Just give me a sec, miss, please. I have a video on my hands.
Oh, it's
No,
okay.
no, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I wanted to see it. Ah, look at this empanada. Miss, the flavor is inside.
Yes.
So good.
She's so sweet. I know she was like, girl, this empanada look helpless. But she was really kind. Next off, we moved over to the station where the other host was making like these coffee shots. Again, I don't drink at the moment, but if you do drink, you can take the class. If you don't drink, you can take the class. And I thought that, why not have an open mind and just get a mocktail, And so they made variations of the shots for people who don't drink and for people who do. That was a long way of just saying that they don't have to have alcohol included in them. But anyway, it was really cool how he made it. He took some cinnamon and he added it to the top of the little wooden thing here, burnt it down, and it gave it that nice smoky flavor that just kind of really set the tone for the drink. He added like carnation milk in this as well, so I feel like there's like a Spanish drink that starts with the C. It's on the tip of my tongue. I can't think of it right now, but it was giving that. It was definitely giving that. And then he added the smoked cinnamon to the coffee flavored part of the drink as well. I'm doing a bad job, y'all, of trying to describe this drink, but anyway, it's a cooking class and a cocktail class. Lots of fun. He chose some volunteers that were going to pour each shot, and then the girl on the right was adding the whipped cream on top of it, and it was just really interactive. So it's like a nice way for you to get involved, and they did such a good job of like making sure everybody felt like they were included. So that's why I say take a cooking class, go do an excursion, all the things. So yeah, we went ahead, added the whipped cream and put a little bit of cinnamon on top of it, and I'll let you listen to again some more of the conversations between some of the hosts and myself.
Al centro, pa' adentro. Esa cosa tan juicy, bájatela y sin excuse. Bájatela, bájalo pasito. Bájatela.
This time we're going to remake or reimagine the famous Cuban mojito in national import guaro. Remember, because the name is guaro, and we're not gonna use rum Bacardi. We're going to modify the name. It's not going to be mojito or mojito anymore. It's going to be guajito or guajiro because we're using butter. Second ingredient here, we're going to find.
So as he said, we made a different version of a mojito. This was so interesting to know how to make. I used to drink mojitos all the time, and it's so nice to see like how it's made in a different country as well. It had like a nice little spin to it. Y'all, this class was so much fun. Honestly, I'm gonna be taking like cooking classes in every country that I go to. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Literally was talking to so many different people, and Nana to the left of me, girl, we have a trip planned in the next coming months or in the next coming year. She was a traveler as well, and her partner next to her. Everybody was just so freaking kind and nice and just like pure. I loved it so much. But yeah, this was so much fun, y'all. Take you a cooking class. It's not like a boring thing to do. This class was lit. I don't know if it was the drinks or what, but we had a good time. But it wasn't like over the top. You don't have to go to the club all the time or just anything like that. And there's no shame against doing that as well, because honey, I get my party on every now and then as well. I'm just saying this was something different and fun, and I would suggest doing something like this when you're traveling overseas, abroad, all of it. So next she showed us how to stuff our empanadas. We basically took like this coleslaw mixture as well as some spicy pickled vegetables, and we just stuffed it inside of the empanada and added like this little bit of sauce. There was like a few variations of sauces that you can add. I'll show you what mine looked like before. Okay, and that's the pickle jar, and then that's what it looks like after. I gave it a taste. It was giving more fusion than it was like a traditional empanada, which is what I was anticipating. I was thinking it was gonna have like meat in it and vegetables and like cheese or something like that, but it was different, it was new, and I enjoyed it. So then we headed downstairs and we sat and we had a dinner. This was the only dish that had meat in it, just heads up. It was really good, and we also had a nice dessert as well.
You put it away.
See, the dessert is something that we call honey, but honey for us, it doesn't need just the big honey. When we prepare something with sugar, we caramelize, we call it el honey. This honey is made out of a pineapple and mango. Two of them, they are such important, like a part of export products in Costa Rica and top quality products in
In this tour with San Jose Urban Tours, for us was a big pleasure being your tour guide during this awesome time, short but very informative as it was. We promised you from the very beginning, this tour tries to immerse you more into the local culture, walking, learning, but the most important, doing as locals, okay? Having dinner as a group of local friends. I'm very happy, we are very happy you to socialize a little bit and make new friends, because that's the idea of this experience, to immerse you, to force you to socialize, to, do things with your own hands.
So I just made it back to my Airbnb from the farm to table cocktail cooking class, all of the things. It was so much fun. Oh my God, I'm buzzing. I had an amazing time. I met so many amazing people. Shout out to all the couples that I met. Oh, the love, mi amor. I was like, I can't wait to be in a relationship and like travel and all of that. It's just so cool. I just love traveling so much, y'all. And it like opens up a different side of me. I get to, immerse myself in the culture and learn different things about different people. The way that they set up the venues, so it like forces you to like socialize, like the way everything is like manicured and put together was just so awesome. The tour guide was great. I've never used Airbnb experiences before. The two excursions or activities that I booked today were on Airbnb experiences. Highly recommend. I will say that I've used TripAdvisor in the past, and they have been known to cancel on folks all the time, sometimes the day of. That happened to me in Colombia. Not one time did anybody cancel on me on any of my Airbnb experiences. I love it. I freaking love it. It was great. And then they constantly contact you and speak with you. They're like really fast in responding if you have any questions or you get lost or anything. So yeah, man, good times, great times. I'm smiling from ear to ear. Like, this is what charges me up. It's like going out, meeting people, going to different countries, tasting the food, learning more about the history and all the things. I'm ranting, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. I'm just feeling really blessed and grateful. And yeah, I'm gonna shower. I gotta get up hella early. I have a excursion where I'm finally going to La Fortuna and going into the jungle area, the rainforest area, where I can finally see some wonderful creatures. I would love to see a sloth. God, please let me see a sloth on this journey here in Costa Rica. It is one of the national animals, I believe, of Costa Rica. Forgive me if I am misspeaking about that, but sloths are major here, and I want to see one. I want to see a sloth before I leave. So I'm going to call it a night. Yeah. If you have been wanting to take a trip and you haven't because, say, you don't have any friends to go with you, or, just whatever. It's usually just friends, or you're scared to take a trip by yourself or whatever. I cannot advocate more for solo travel. Like, as a female, as a Black female, it is my honor, and I feel like part of my journey is to share my experiences and to encourage people to take solo trips, female solo travel, or whoever, male, female, whatever. And even if it's not solo travel, even if I can show couples or, whoever wants to go travel more of the world, that is my goal. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm just really excited for tomorrow and the next journeys, but stay tuned. I'm going to show you La Fortuna and my excursion tomorrow. Should be a lot of fun. If you like this type of content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also comment down below and let me know if you have ever taken a solo trip, or if you want to, where would you go and where I should go next. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care. Bye. Love you.